So welcome everybody. Today we will learn what are HTML attributes. So let's start. HTML attributes are additional values that configure the elements or adjust their behavior in various ways to meet the criteria the users want. Let me show you an example first. Let me create a file called attributes.html. Okay, and give the title of the web page HTML attributes. So let's start. All HTML elements can have attributes. Almost all the elements in HTML have minimum one attribute. Okay. HTML attributes provide additional information about elements. Let me show you an example like a tag or the anchor tag. Okay. Here a tag is used to define a hyperlink, and here the href is the attribute. When we enter any URL like common URL like https://www.google.com, and the text here is go to Google. Okay, so here A is the attribute, A is the element, and href is the attribute. Here is written that attributes provide additional information about elements. Okay, so if we see here, the A tag without any href tag is not of any use. Okay, if there is no href tag. Okay, so if we give an href tag and write a value as a URL like any URL, okay, it will, if we click on the link, it will go to the specified URL. Okay, so it is providing additional information about that element. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. If we see an element like p tag, okay, so it is an element. P tag is an element. P is an element. Okay, so it is the first one that start the element is called the starting tag, and the second one that closes the element is called the closing tag. So here the always any attributes are always specified in the starting tag. Okay, start tag. Attributes usually come in name and value pairs. Like name is equal to, in quotes, the value. href is the name here, and https://www.google.com is the value. This is the name. The syntax is like this: name is equal to, in quote, value. If I show you how it works, yes, here is the link. Go to Google. Okay, we have been redirected to the google.com, and here is the same URL, google.com. If I specify another URL like https://www.youtube.com, okay, go to YouTube. Okay, and if we click here, we have been redirected to the youtube.com. So it works like that. Any other URL like Bing, so we have been redirected to the bing.com. These are HTML attributes. HTML attributes just provide additional information about an element. If we see this meta tag, okay, here there are two attributes, name and content. Name is the name, and value is report is the value. Name is the name. Here content is the name, and width is equal to device hyphen width, comma, initial hyphen scale is equal to 1.0. So this is the value. These are HTML attributes. If I show you another example, another example. So here charset in the meta tag, charset is the name and UTF-8 is the value. These are HTML attributes. If I show you an example, like here, what I showed you here, the A tag defines the hyperlink. The href attribute specifies the URL of the page and the link goes to the specified URL. So if it is here, and if there was no href tag, then the A tag will not work. So it is very useful for the A tag, the href attribute. Okay. So here it is. So these are HTML attributes. Okay. These are HTML attributes. Today we have learned what are HTML attributes. If you want to learn more about HTML, go to my channel and search. There will be more videos for HTML, and also the links are in the description below. Today we have learned what are HTML attributes. We will meet in the next video. Bye.